Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Amazfit is going to launch one more variant of the BIP S and it's the BIP S Lite. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this newly launched smartwatch. Amazfit BIP S Lite, as the name suggests, is the lighter version which is priced lower at Rs. 3799. There are few features which are missing in this variant which I will talk about later in this video. So let's begin with the unboxing first. In the front of the box we have the Amazfit branding, and here on this side we have the picture of the smartwatch. And then we have some key features such as always on display, 5 ATM water resistant, it's lightweight, heart rate monitoring, notifications, it comes with the multi-sport tracking, and lastly you get the same 30 days battery backup. At the back of the box we have some technical specifications. Now let's open the box and see the content. So like always, we have one more box inside, and inside it, on the top we have the smartwatch itself. The watch is not on now and there is a sticker on it. This smartwatch look and feel exactly like the BIP S, and personally in terms of design, I'm not able to find any difference in them. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the user manual and the charging dock. The design is also same, and for charging you need to connect it at the back of the watch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Amazfit BIP S Lite is the less expensive variant of the BIP S, or you can also consider the BIP S Lite as the next generation smartwatch for the BIP Lite. Now starting with the design, you have the same design as the BIP S. The casing of the watch is made up of polycarbonate material. The quality is again top notch and it feels really lightweight as well and weighs only 30 grams. The strap is also same and can be replaced easily. The quality of the straps also feels pretty good. And guys, I can tell you the design is good and it's very comfortable to wear. I'm using the BIP S for over a month and it's really lightweight and very comfortable, which has the same design and dimensions as the BIP S Lite. Now about the display, we have the same 1.2 inches transflective display which has the always on feature and has the resolution of 176 by 176 pixels. The screen is also protected with 2.5D curved Gorilla Glass. In terms of the overview, on the side of the smartwatch we have this crown which lets you unlock the watch and also navigate through the menu. At the back of the smartwatch we have the heart rate sensor, which by the way do support continuous heart rate monitoring, and we also have the charging pins at the back. Now let's turn on the watch for the first time and pair it with our phone. So the watch is on and asking us to scan the QR code. The app name is Amazfit, which is one of my favorite companion app for a smartwatch, and it's available for both Android and iOS. To add the smartwatch, we need to go to the add device section and then select the QR code option. And that's it. Now it's asking us to accept the pair request. After pairing, it takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes to set up the watch, and you will also receive a firmware update. So the watch is set up. Now let's go through the menu. And guys, if you don't know about the transflective displays, let me tell you, the more light you throw on them, the better is the visibility. So these displays, even though don't give you the crisp output, but they are more practical when it comes to daily usage. Now coming back to the features, you have the watch face here, and you can change the watch face by long pressing on the screen. And by the way, you can also add more watch faces through the app. Now about the controls, it's gesture based, and when you swipe down from the top, you will see the remaining battery, connection status, as well as quick toggles which are DND, lock, brightness settings and music controls. Swiping up on the screen will show you the notifications you have received on the smartwatch. And when you swipe left or right, you cycle through few options which includes weather, music control, heart rate and your current fitness data. To access the menu, you need to press the crown button, and here you have the menu list. The first is the status, which shows you the step count, calories burned and distance traveled. And then we have the heart rate. The heart rate sensor works good, and I find the heart rate data pretty accurate when we compare it with the other smartwatches such as Apple Watch and Fitbit Versa. After the heart rate we have the PAI and workout menu. So basically PAI is your health assistant which gives you a score based on your physical activities. And talking about the workout, you have 8 sports mode which includes outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling, freestyle, walking, elliptical trainer and yoga. And now here comes the main difference. So this watch do not have the inbuilt GPS which is available in the BIP S. So for the outdoor workout tracking such as cycling or running, it takes the GPS data from your phone. So you'll have to carry your phone while you're working out. And also the sports mode is missing the open water and pool mode in this variant. Now in the menu, after the sports mode, then we have some usual options such as weather, alarm, stopwatch, timer and music control. And here is how you can control the music, which includes pause and play and change tracks. And then finally we have the settings. In the settings, we have the watch face option, long button press settings, brightness, find device, which plays a sound on your phone. So that's all the option we have on this smartwatch. As there is no built-in GPS, the BIP S Lite is also missing out on the compass. Now talking about the app, on the homepage you have the fitness data, which includes step count, heart rate graph, sleep data and the PAI data. And on the next page, you can see the things which you can do with your smartwatch. And on the settings, you have the remaining battery percentage on the top, and then we have few settings. The first is the watch faces, and I personally find the watch face store pretty good, and some of the watch faces do look good on the watch. And then we have the notification settings, which includes call and the app notification. And talking about it more, here is how you get the call notification. You can mute or reject the call from the watch itself. And here is how you get the message notification. And guys, in this smartwatch, you do not have the preset replies. Now coming back to the menu, then we have some more options such as idle alert, alarm, heart rate detection, where you can select the interval. This smartwatch also have the raise to wake feature, which also works pretty good. So overall, Amazfit BIP S Lite is a good looking smartwatch with all the essential features. This smartwatch is lightweight and really comfortable to wear. You're getting 30 days battery backup, which you can easily achieve, and even more if you use the basic watch mode. The display of the watch is good and the visibility is pretty good, especially outdoors. And for the indoors, you have the backlight option, which you can turn it on using the crown button. So to sum it up, Amazfit BIP S Lite is a budget smartwatch which offers lot more in this price range. You're missing out on the GPS on this smartwatch, but for workout and other usage, according to us, this smartwatch is perfect. But if you're looking for a smartwatch mainly for workout and outdoor physical activities, then we recommend you to go with the regular BIP S variant, which is available at Rs. 5000. And if you're interested in any of them, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Amazfit BIP S Lite. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.